Cardano is a third-generation decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain platform designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work networks like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Scalability, interoperability, and sustainability on proof-of-work networks are limited due to the infrastructure burden of growing costs, energy use, and slow transaction times. Cardano was created to solve these problems, and we will show you how they intend to accomplish them. Welcome to the Driven Billionaire channel, the channel that helps you understand the crypto world so you too can make money in crypto. In this video, we will explain what Cardano is, what goals it wants to achieve, and how it plans to do it. A disclaimer alert is now in effect. This video is for informational purposes only. We recommend that you always seek professional advice. Let's start. Charles Hoskinson began developing Cardano and its primary cryptocurrency ADA back in 2015. Charles was one of the co-founders of Ethereum, but left the project due to a disagreement with Vitalik Buterin. Charles then went on to create a software engineering company called IOHK. It was IOHK that developed Cardano's blockchain technology and still oversees Cardano's advancement along with the Cardano Foundation and Emergo. Cardano was launched in 2017 and is a third-generation, decentralized, proof-of-stake blockchain platform designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work networks. In contrast to other cryptos, Cardano uses a different approach in its development. Instead of improving the network through trial and error, Cardano uses a research-based framework incorporated through peer-reviewed papers. Experts around the world read and prove the concept works before it's then put into coding. Cardano wants to solve three problems that earlier generation cryptos have: scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. The interoperability problem is due to the crazy amount of cryptocurrencies being created, which in turn has led to banks and big businesses not trusting cryptocurrency as a whole. In order to solve this problem, Cardano envisions itself being the Internet of blockchains, or in other words, a blockchain that understands what happens inside the other blockchains. Cardano aims to provide a platform where each individual blockchain can communicate with another, and where the users can attach metadata in their transactions if they want to. The sustainability problem is all about helping the crypto community. Currently, many companies are having to create their own tokens and launch their own ICOs in order to raise funds. It is great to raise funds once, but it isn't sustainable over time. To solve this, Cardano has created a treasury that is composed of a small portion of each transaction fee that is done in the network. The treasury resides in a specialized wallet, which no one individual has control over, and behaves in a manner similar to a smart contract. This means Cardano can release funds to developers when it is deemed appropriate by the community, meaning that these funds are allocated to developers who plan to make improvements to the ADA network. The scalability issue includes problems such as the amount of transactions per second, the data bandwidth, and overall data storage. The Cardano platform runs on the Ouroboros consensus protocol, which is meant to solve the scalability problem. On a broad level, Ouroboros works by dividing physical time into epochs that are made up of slots, which are fixed periods of time. These slots are similar to working shifts at a factory. Currently, an epoch lasts 5 days and a slot lasts 1 second, but these numbers are configurable and can be changed after an updated proposal. Epochs work in a circular fashion, which means that when one ends, another starts. Each slot has a slot leader chosen by a lottery system. In this system, the higher the stake, the better the chances of winning the lottery. The slot leaders are responsible for tasks such as validating transactions, creating transaction blocks, and adding newly created blocks to the Cardano blockchain. Ouroboros requires a small number of ADA holders to be online and maintain good network connectivity. To further cut down on energy consumption, the algorithm contains the concept of stake pools. This means that ADA holders can organize themselves into stake pools and elect a few holders to represent the pool during protocol execution. This makes it easy to participate and ensure block creation, even if some of them are offline. Even with the Ouroboros protocol, the Cardano team wants to further increase the transaction per second number tremendously, and for that to happen, they have come up with the Hydra scaling solution. Once the Hydra scaling solution is introduced, Cardano will be able to have up to 1 million TPS for every 1,000 pools, with individual transaction speed also set to improve. This means that with Hydra, Cardano can really become the alternative to current fiat money. Since we're talking about the future of Cardano, it is also important to talk about its roadmap, which is made up of 5 phases. Phase 1, Byron, aka the Foundation. Phase 2, Shelley, referred to as the decentralization milestone. Phase 3, Goguin, which will bring smart contract capabilities to the protocol. Phase 4, Basho, aka the scaling phase. And last but not least, Phase 5, Voltaire, the phase that will bring governance to Cardano. Even though Cardano has Ethereum and other smart contract cryptos as its competition, it has already left its mark and has impressed the crypto community with its projects and achievements. It's no secret that Cardano is in it for the long game. Charles Hoskinson has said multiple times that having first mover's advantage isn't everything, and that Cardano is all about sustainability. Sure, Cardano's delay on rolling out projects may look bad, but because of the way it chooses to develop and improve its technology, Cardano has created a degree of consumer confidence that you don't get with other cryptocurrencies. This confidence has given Cardano unique opportunities, which they made every effort to take. Cardano's years of work, study, and research are almost ready to be put into practice, and surely will pay off. Who knows? Cardano might be the project that finally solves some long-standing fundamental issues within crypto. Hope you guys have got value from this video, and if you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out the awesome designs of the Hodlers Club store. They have awesome crypto merch, which we are sure that you guys will love. The link is in the description below. See you guys next time. Take care.